Hey everyone, it's attorney Bianca Jordan from brazenlegal.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Today's video is about DACA and what you need to know if you want to renew your status or if you want to apply for DACA for the first time. As a short recap, the Supreme Court last month ruled that the Trump administration's decision to end DACA and the way that they went about it was unlawful, and the Supreme Court basically reverted DACA back to the way the program was on September 5th, 2017, when the Trump administration tried to end it. Since then, USCIS issued a statement saying that they would not follow the Supreme Court ruling, and they were actually rejecting applications that people were sending in for DACA. So last week, a federal court in Maryland ruled that the Trump administration has to follow the Supreme Court order, which means that people can now apply for DACA. So what does that mean? If you currently have DACA and you don't have any criminal histories or any criminal issues or immigration court issues, you can continue to apply for DACA, and you can also apply for advanced parole. Advanced parole is a travel document that allows you to leave and come back to the United States, and that counts as a lawful entry. This is very important for people that came into the country undocumented before they got DACA. Some of these people are now married to US citizens and they would love to adjust their status, but because they entered the United States unlawfully, they're not able to do so. And those people would instead have to go through consular processing, which means you'd have to leave the United States and risk not being able to come back for 10 years, depending on how long you were in the United States undocumented. If you already have DACA and you now have a criminal issue or you've been in immigration court, speak with an immigration attorney before you file your application. Similarly, if you've never applied for DACA before, maybe you weren't old enough when DACA existed back then, you can still apply for DACA, but I would speak with an immigration attorney first because there's a lot of documentation that you're going to need to provide with that application. And you also want to understand any risks you might have in applying for DACA as a first-time applicant, such as possibly getting your case denied and then you might end up in removal proceedings. So before you file anything, especially if you have any criminal issues or immigration court issues, speak with an immigration attorney first before you do anything on your DACA case. In the description to this video is a link to my DACA page on my website. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest immigration videos. Thanks for watching.